2, 1. Welcome to BoxFit. This is your day 12 of sneak peek workout, and if you know me, you already know that why am I here? I'm here because you're gonna do a lot of boxing today. We are gonna have fun, and I want you to count the punches today because we are gonna target to throw at least 10,000 punches. Yes, you heard it right. 10,000 punches. Just kidding. Come on. This is your day 12 of the sneak peek workout. From Monday onwards, your MSP is gonna start. So make sure you're ready for it. Let's get started. Come on, yo. First, I'm gonna start with the mobilities. My hands are completely up. I am gonna roll them forward and back. Get ready with me in 3, 2, 1. Start. So people from the locker room, give me a hello. So this exercise here, this rotation is very important because when you're throwing your punches, your shoulders are a lot involved. And we just need to mobilize them. With me, last 10. Okay, switch. Now swing your arms with me. Keep your eyes at the screen. Hands are wide. Just swing your arms with me. So here what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to hug myself as tight as I can. Last 5, come on with me. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Switch. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna lift my hands all the way up. My abs are completely engaged. I'm gonna use them. Hands all the way up. With this, I'm gonna lift my heels up. Last 5, come on with me. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Switch. This time we are gonna punch side to side. Just imagine somebody standing here. Make a proper fist. Your legs are in a straight line. No need to go to the boxing stance now. You must have done at least I think 2 to 4 classes with me now. So you already know what's a boxing stance. If you don't know, I'm gonna teach you again. Don't worry about that. So make sure your fists are here. I'm gonna twist and punch to the side. Keep your eyes at my feet. Look at my hip. See how much is it moving, how much is it twisting. Get ready in 3, 2, 1, and start. Keep your eyes at the screen. Look at my feet. Look at my hip. Look at my hip. And feel that twisting. Last 10 seconds, come on with me. Try to extend your arms as completely as you can, keeping your chest back in 3, 2, 1. Okay, next exercise for your hips. We are gonna do a lot of side to side, forward and back movements. For this exercise is very important. What I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna lift my knee up. I'm gonna twist it and down. I'm gonna lift my knee up. I'm making a very big circle down. And let's get started in 3, 2, 1, start. So keep your eyes at the screen and notice how big circle am I making. My circle is really big and wide. I just heard a pop sound from my hip. Probably that's my joint. With me, come on, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. You are gonna do a lot of twisting today. This twisting gives you abs. This is how I got it. So let's get ready for it. For this, my legs are wide, knees are locked, right hand goes to the left, tap on a toe, switch to the other side. With me in 3, 2, 1, go. So when I'm trying to touch, I'm actually trying to twist my body as much as I can. And I'm looking at the palm, the one which is going up. Last 10 seconds, come on. Keep exhaling. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Last exercise. This is your last exercise. What I'm gonna do here is, I'm gonna lift my toe up. I'm actually standing on my heels. Look at my feet closely. I'm gonna drop down my chest, touch my heel, touch my toe, swipe all the way up, switch my leg, down and up. Let's get ready in 3, 2, 1, start. I'm actually feeling it here, just behind my hips, just behind my thighs, behind my knees. And the more you're gonna push down, the better will be that feeling. Last 10. 3, 2, and 1. So, we are done with the mobility part. Today is your challenge day, and we are gonna make it fun. So whenever I ask you for the number, make sure you drop that down, because your next round will be dependent upon that. Let's get ready. There is no warm-up today. We have just 30 minutes. Perform as fast as you can. I want the numbers with the proper form. Get ready. Your first exercise will be starting with the punches. I'm standing here in the boxing stance. I'm gonna twist my toe, take a foot back diagonally, hands up here, fist closed, elbow squeezed in. From this point, I'm gonna extend my left hand as much as I can and back 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Feel it, how much my back is extending, how much is it twisting. Get ready. So first round only jabs for 40 seconds. Do it as fast as you can. In 3, 2, 1, and get ready. So with each punch, I am breathing out. My right hand is up on my face. I need to protect myself at all the time. Just imagine, if you will drop your right hand down, somebody's gonna slap you in the face. So you need to keep your hands, you need to keep your right hand up all the time. You need to extend your left hand as much as you can and twist your fist. Look at this, come on. So when I'm punching, I'm actually twisting my fist. With me, come on, last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. You are gonna feel a very sweet jerk, a very sweet pain in your shoulder when you will be extending it completely. Same thing, right side I'm gonna throw a cross. This is slightly different. I'm gonna twist more this time. Look at my feet, look at my hip. I'm pivoting here as much as I can. I'm twisting as much as I can. Get ready, you remember the warm-up exercises, the twistings. Use it here. Come on with me in 3, 2, 1, get started. Initially go slow. When I say pick up the pace, you are gonna increase the speed. Focus more on your feet and punch exactly at the face level. See, my punches are not going up, neither is going down. I'm punching exactly in front of my own face. Not at myself, in front of my own face. Just look at my feet here. See. Last 10 seconds. Come on. Just try the pivoting with me. Feel like you are a screw. You are screwing yourself. 3. Come on. 2. And 1. Relax. So whenever you're punching, especially with your right hand, just pretend you are a screw or a screwdriver and you are twisting yourself as much as you can. Now, half burpees. What I'm going to do here. My palms are down. I'm gonna jump to the high plank position. I'm gonna jump forward, up, and I'm gonna give a clap. Get ready in 3, 2, 1, and get started. So if you are not able to do it due to any reason, what I want you to do is just keep your palms down, step back, step forward, and stand up. Otherwise, you're gonna do it with full speed. So the moment you jump back, you exhale. Here I'm exhaling, my abs are really engaged this time. Last 10 seconds, come on with me. 3, 2, and 1. So as I told you, today is Saturday. Saturday is your challenge day. It's time for your challenge. What you want to do now is give me 5 jabs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Give me 5 crosses and 5 half burpees. So this makes your 1 round. 5 jabs, 5 crosses, 5 half burpees. This is your 1 round. I want you to do as many rounds as you can. The time you have is just 2 minutes. In 2 minutes, give me the best numbers you can give. Get ready with me in 3. I'm going to do it with you. 2, 1, and go. So imagine there is somebody standing there. You want to punch that person with full power. 5 done. Now time for 5 burpees. I'm done with 1 round. 5 crosses. Twist your body as much as you can. You want those beautiful looking abs. Try to twist. Again, you have the modification of the exercises. All you got to do is just do it with the steps, but as fast as you can. Make sure you are doing as fast as you can. I'm done with my 2nd round. We have still 1 minute left. Give me your best numbers. In the meantime, try to exhale as much as you can. 5 burpees now. I'm gonna pick up the pace. Done with 4 rounds. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, my hands are at the shoulder level. I'm not punching down, I'm not punching up. Last 30 seconds, come on. Give your best in this one, yeah. Five rounds done. We have 15 seconds left. I'm gonna complete the round. Just do it with me. Last 5. Come on with me. 4, 3, 2, 1. On time. 6 rounds, 2 minutes. 6 rounds. This is your rest for 30 seconds. I want you to write the numbers. So, I want you to ask you a question. The question is, who is your favorite fighter? Think about that. I'm giving you the time of the whole workout to answer this question. Who is your favorite fighter? It can be a boxer, it can be an MMA player, anybody from Hollywood or Bollywood. Drop me the numbers, come on. So we have 3 sets. Priyanka has done 3 sets. Dipali 5 sets. Jalani, is it 6 or is it 9? It's 6 rounds. Right. Sham has done 8 rounds. 5 rounds, right? Okay, so guys, numbers are great. Again, perform. I'm going to teach you again. At the end of the round, there is a challenge. Combination is 2 jabs, pass, tap, tap. Imagine you're knocking on somebody's door. Knock, knock. Knock, knock. The person opens the door. You bang that person. So 2 jabs and a cross jab, jab, pivot, cross for 40 seconds in 3, 2, 1, and start. I really don't like my neighbors, so that's why I keep on giving this kind of examples. So imagine you're knocking on your neighbor's door and you're gonna bang his face. Good. Keep punching with me, keep moving, punch at the face level, and you mean that punch. You want to hit your neighbor. Unless your neighbor is some really beautiful looking girl. 3, come on with me, 2, and 1. Relax. What I want you to do now is you must have done the skipping, single jumps. This time, I want you to do the double jumps. How are you gonna do? You're gonna take a very high jump and you're gonna finish 2 taps in the air itself. So high jump, finish 2 taps in the air itself. With me for 40 seconds in 3, 2, 1, and start. So look at me. My both taps are finishing in the air. And if you're not able to jump high due to any reason, you can do the simple single unders. Simply do the skippings. I'm gonna do the regular version with me. 15 seconds, come on. A jump as high as you can. 5, come on, 4, 3, 2, 1. 2 exercises. It's time to combine it. Let's make a challenge with it. The challenge is going to be 5 jab, jab, cross 5 times and 5 double unders for 2 minutes. Try to break the barrier of 10 to 13 rounds. This is the average one. Try to be above that. Try to be 10 plus. Get ready in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. So knock, knock, bang. Knock, knock, bang. 5 done. 5 double under taps. Yeah. Good. I can read your numbers. And it looks really good. Come on. Wait, come on. So jab, jab, and across 5 times. I'm already on my 3rd round. Come on. 1 more. Double under taps. You still have 1 minute to go. That's my 5th round. I'm already on my 5th round. If you're doing better than I'm doing, I'm really proud of you. I think that I've taught you well. Sunny Deol. Why are you calling me Sunny Deol, Siddharth? Good. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 rounds done. I'm on my 7th round. Last 10. Fast, come on. Last 10 seconds with me. Five, go on. 4, 3, 2, and 1 stop. I have completed 7 rounds. I want to know your numbers. Make sure you are giving me that numbers. I want to know. I read these comments, and this is the way I know that how much have you progressed. Let's start. In 20 seconds, Your next combo, I'm gonna teach you in 10 seconds. Come on, with me. Type the numbers fast. Come on, guys, I'm reading. Vaishali, 4 rounds. 5 rounds, 6 rounds. Guys are doing great. I've done 7, you have done 6. I'm gonna give you a pass in this one. Kirti has done 5 rounds. Siddharth, 5.5 rounds, buddy. Wow. Okay, get ready, come on. Next challenge. I want you to do the ducks. Imagine somebody is punching at you on your face. You are standing in the boxing stands, your hands are up. You just give me a squat in this one. Simply a fast dip. This is a duck. Get ready for 40 seconds in 3, 2, with me, come on, 1, start. Do it as fast as you can. Keep your hands up all the time. Imagine you are standing in a very narrow space. Here is the wall, here is the wall. You are stuck in between and you cannot move anywhere. All you can do is just go down. Last 15 seconds. Here you actually need to imagine somebody is actually punching you. With me in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Next round we will do the combination, which is a jab on the body, a jab cross on the face. I want you to combine the punches with the ducking movement. So you are ducking, you are throwing a jab on the stomach, you stood up, you're gonna throw 2 punches, jab cross. So jab on the stomach, up, jab cross on the face. With me in 3, 2, 1, let's get started, come on. So a jab, jab cross. Good. Jab, jab cross. Manisha, 7 rounds. Wow. I need to save my job. Do it as fast as you can. Shivani Vohra, 8 rounds. With me, come on, last 7. Fast, come on. 4, come on with me, 3, 2, 1, and stop. What I want you to do now is give me the same combo 5 times and give me 20 shuffles as fast as you can. Get ready for 2 minutes. In 3, starting in 3, there is no rest. There is no rest. This is your Saturday challenge. In 3, 2, 1, get started. Come on, start with the combo. Switch to the shuffles. So 5 shuffle, 20 shuffles, 5 combos. You are actually going down. You are using your thighs to bend. Shuffles fast. Three, 2, 1. Switch again. Keep your back straight when you're going down. And you use your thighs. Do not bend forward to do the combo. You are actually doing it on your thighs. One more. 1, 2, shuffles 20 times. I've done my 5 rounds. Last 30 seconds, I will try to complete the 6th round. Drop, punch, up and punch with full power. Down to 2. Last 10 seconds. I need to do 20 shuffles. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Break. I want your numbers. I have done 6 rounds. I want your numbers. The next challenge is a burpee challenge for you. What I want you to do here is you're gonna throw 2 punches, 1 burpee. You will stand up, you will throw 4 punches, 1 burpee. 6 punches, 1 burpee. 8 punches, 1 burpee. You're gonna increase the number. The time is 1 minute. Make sure the time you do as fast as you can. Get ready in 3, 2, take your positions. Let's go. 2 punches, a burpee. 4 punches, a burpee. Keep on increasing the punches. Hurry up! "20 seconds. I'm at 16 punches. Stop. I touched 20 punches. What was your number? I started from 2 punches, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Actually, I have completed the table of 2. Give me your numbers, I'm tired. This is your cool down now. Don't walk away. This is the most important part. I want you to stretch properly. I want you to be ready for the Monday MSB. For this stretching is important. I'm waiting for the numbers. 4, 6, 5. So now these are the numbers I'm talking. 16, 12. So my buddy Jyotsna has done 24. Jyotsna, you become the trainer now. Come on. 2 to 16, guys. Superb. Proud of you. Let's start the cool down now. What I want you to do is keep your back straight, pull your legs back, chest out, and just push your knee down as much as you can. There is no need of doing the up and down movement. Just hold there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch. One leg straight, cross the other one, back straight, just pull it, just hug your knee here. By the way, I asked you a question. So by the end of the session, I want the answer. Who is your favorite fighter? Switch. It could be anyone. The person could be from boxing, from MMA, Hollywood, Bollywood, literally, could be anything. Switch. Now do the forward fold, hold your toes, keep your knees locked, and just try to push your chest down. You're gonna feel the stretch here, around your calves, around your hamstrings. Just keep exhaling and keep pushing yourself down. 3, 2, 1, switch. Go to the child's pose. I'm on my knees. I'm gonna push my chest towards the floor. Just stay there. Now slowly start moving forward. Drop your chest down. Lift it off the ground. Your elbows are bent. Just keep pushing your lower back down on the floor. Stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Stand up. Your hands are interlocked. Keep pushing it up. Just slightly bend to the side. Switch. Stretch your shoulders. Just pull your elbow in. In 3, 2, 1, switch your arm. Lock your hands here behind your body, behind your back. What I'm gonna do now is just bend forward and lift my arms up. Don't push too much here. Find your comfortable spot and just stay there. 3, 2, 1. Relax. We are done. We are done for today. I hope you enjoyed the workout. I know I'm gonna be sore tomorrow, but I loved it. How you enjoyed? How much fun was it for you? You tell me about that. I want to shoot out from you. My Instagram account is ajay.boxfit. I'm going to post for you for 5 seconds only. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. See you guys. Bye-bye. A jab and a cross and a left hook. That's my favorite combo.
On your mouth, we know you talk in your sleep. Remembering the times they won't remember me. Our nights melt into sequels, you sink into me. And lay on the floor. We drink it 'cause we're bored. Oh, I'm